Hi friends, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm going to reviewing this Amazon Basics laptop cooling pad, especially for the gamers, for the video editors, anybody. Like if in case you are facing any heating issues in your laptop, means these cooling pads are really helpful for you. In this video, I'm sharing the unboxing followed by some good things, bad things which I noticed in this one. So without making any further delay, let's jump into the video. Come to the first unboxing. In the box, you will get this cooling pad along with a braided cable. It's a type A to type A cable. And finally, you will get one instruction paper. If in case you don't know about these cooling pads, maybe you got one question in your mind. What are these cooling pads and why these are very useful? The answer is these cooling pads are really useful to cool down the CPU followed by GPU in your laptop. Overall, in short, it helps to cool down your laptop. If you're a video editor, gamer, or a graphic designer, then you obviously see so much of heating issues in your laptop. To compensate that heating issues and to run your laptop smoothly without any lags, these cooling pads are really helpful for you. Come to the price, for me this one cost around 1919 rupees. By the way, I given the links in the description box. If you are interested, means go and click the link and buy. Not only this product, if you buy anything from Amazon, means I'll get some commission so that I can review more product videos like this. There are many options are available in this price range. So better before selecting any product, please check the specifications as well as the features in that cooling pad. Coming to the connection, this one is connected via this type A to type A braided cable, and you need to connect to your laptop, or if you want you can connect directly to your power bank or even the charger also. This cooling pad needed external power source, then only it will work. On the back side you will get two USB slots followed by two dials to adjust the fan speed as well as lights. If in case you want to turn off the fans, means yes, you can turn off by the help of these dials. Also, if you observe closely, 3 fans are large in size, whereas remaining 3 fans are smaller in size. That's why they given 2 dials on the back side to control these fans. Even though this cooling pad is having 6 fans, the fan noise is very minimal. I didn't notice any of the fan noise if in case I am working in open area. Yes, you can actually observe very little fan noise if in case you are working in a closed room. So fan noise is there, but it's very minimal. On the back side of this cooling pad, you will get 2 supporter clips where you can actually elevate the angle for your laptop. Also on the front, there are 2 supporter clips are there where it actually helps to hold the laptop if in case your laptop doesn't comes with any of the grips on the back side. If you observe below that, there are 2 slots are there where you can actually use it as a mobile holder or you can use it for holding pens too. Coming to the build quality, this Amazon Basics cooling pad comes with plastic and metal. If you observe the mesh on the front side, it is totally made up of with metal and the quality is okay because it is actually helps to hold up to 17-inch laptops. When it comes to the plastic, it's very good and I didn't notice any of the dents or like loose connections in this one. So after seeing all these things, maybe you got one question in your mind, whether you can carry it in your bag along with your laptop. The answer is no guys, you cannot carry it in your bag unless you are having a very big bag. If you are planning with your laptop bag only, means it won't fit because it's too big than your laptop. So finally, whether I recommend you to buy this Amazon Basics cooling pad or not for 1919 rupees, the answer is yes. You can buy it without having any doubts thanks to its design as well as the build quality and features. That's the video guys. If in case you want the portable aluminum laptop stand for your desk, here is the video for you which I covered recently. By the way, thanks for subscribing this channel and I keep on posting these type of review videos in future with more improved quality and quantity. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.